In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a pair of cordless pruning shears from the company Bahima, maybe is how you would say that. And number one, it came in this nice kind of carrying case right here. And this right here, this particular one, fits all Milwaukee batteries. And that's exactly what I have here. I have a Milwaukee charger and a Milwaukee battery. And this is the M18, you know, the CP, it's a 2 amp hour battery. Let's just open this thing up. I've actually had this out, used it, and kind of put it back in the box for this video here. So you get a little set of instructions. So you know, I done went over the instructions. There's several little things on how to change the blades, how to oil it, how to put the battery on, and you know what, how to use it. But we don't need these right now, so I'll throw those aside. You get the unit itself, a set of gloves, a pair of safety glasses. Oh, that's a sharpener, a set of tools to change it, and a spare set of blades. That's nice in this case right here. So let me go ahead and show you the unit itself here. Actually, let's grab the battery. So this battery is a freshly charged battery, a Milwaukee battery, and it uses all Milwaukee batteries pretty much. You can see right here. So when you plug this thing in, check it out. Notice it doesn't work. So there's things you have to do with this. Number one, just press this button. Hear that beep? Now hit this twice. Hear that in that second beep? There it is. Check that out. Now hit it twice or hold it. Watch. Each time I do that, I hold it, it goes down a little bit. Check that out. Notice it went back to its larger size. See that? That's a cool feature right there. And then if you hold it down, I think for that long press, look how it's locked. So that's what I would do to lock it right there. So hold it. Now that's all a safety mechanism to make sure, because these are very sharp blades, and it's just to make sure that you don't accidentally set it off. So let's go ahead, let's put this thing to the test. I'm gonna first cut some pruning, just like I've got a little tree that I wanna kind of cut down. Then I'll actually cut some PVC pipe, because you know what surprised me was how good this thing worked on PVC pipe. So let's get to it now. This is probably around about a little over an inch right here, but check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this top part right here. Look how nice that is. Size in this thing. That thing works awesome on that. Look at this. That's probably the best shrub trimmer I've ever seen, everybody. That thing has a lot of power. So now here's probably, and this thing will cut up to about 1.5 inches. And you know what? I forgot to put the little lanyard on. How about that? Okay, here we go. Let's go 1.5 inches right here. Watch this. That cut that like it was nothing. Is that not crazy how well this thing works? This is one of the best kind of pruners I've ever seen. We got a little tree down here. This is great for gardening or anything like that. If I just want to kind of clean it up, that looks nice. See how that's growing up into my fence there? So you see that? Well, I'll tell you what, let's go try to cut some PVC pipe. I have a little over, almost a 2-inch PVC pipe. Let's try to cut that. Look at that. Is that not crazy how easily, if you had 1 inch to a little smaller PVC pipe, you would easily cut this in half. Watch how that cuts that. So smooth. Woo! That's nice. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Bahima shrub cutters. See y'all next video.